can't stand when people eat and they're just chewing with their mouth open and just doing a lot of smacking of the mouth. Like, that's fucking disgusting. Has anybody ever taught y'all how to eat properly? Like, why do you feel the need that you need to eat like, ew. Ew. Close your mouth. Nobody wants to see or hear that. Like, I can't do it. Like, I can't do the smacking. I can't watch people eating. Like, I don't know how y'all do mukbangs. I don't know how y'all watch people do mukbangs. I can't do it. I don't want to sit there and watch someone eating. Like, it's just weird. I don't care how interesting the story may be that they're telling, but, like, I personally can't get with mukbangs. I don't get it. Also, once again, it's the chewing. I don't want to see people chewing or eating. And if you a smacker, I don't... No. Like, me personally, like... Not even personally. Like, if you chew like that... Stop! Get it together. It's indecent. Maybe indecent's a little too strong of a word. But it's just like, ew, like, can we not... Like, can we please not do this? Because I can't do it. Like I said, power to y'all that can watch people do mukbangs. I can't. It's just like a... I just can't do it. So, you know what? Kudos to y'all. Props to y'all. Would not, could not, shall not be me. And don't even be like, don't knock it until you try. No, I'm good. I'm good. Because I can sit on Instagram all day or Facebook all day and just look at food being made. I can look at the food already finished and cooked. I don't want to watch nobody eat it. I don't want to watch nobody eat nothing. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Ha 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 ha. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Also, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.